Morena koutou. When I'm on my morning walks, which is, I'm very fortunate to have this beautiful vista on my morning walks in Hamilton, Kirikiriroa. I often come across people on this walk. It's quite a commonly used walk, and I always say morena if it's in the morning. And I just wanted to encourage you that we can use our Māori language all the time. We can say morena or kia ora or ka kite for see you later, and people understand. No one has ever asked me what I mean. Usually they just say good morning back, or if they say good morning first, I say morena, and I don't know what they're thinking. Nobody has ever said anything to me about it. Sometimes they don't say anything, and that's because they wouldn't have anyway. Once somebody said, "Oh, are you Sharon Holt?" So that was the only time that anyone has ever actually said anything, and we had a little conversation about that. So I really encourage you, for the Māori words that you do know, some of us just have to start using them. So let's make that commitment to say ai for yes, morena for good morning, and whatever other ones you feel comfortable with. Ka kite.